You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. My name is Vanessa, in case you are new here. Today we are going to film a quick little power hour. Have some stuff to clean up around the house as per usual. It's a rainy day here. We actually had a tornado warning for a few hours, and I think a couple of the schools were closed if they weren't already. It's actually Good Friday today, so I think some of the schools were closed regardless. But yeah, it's like crazy crazy weather outside today. There was like stuff hitting the house. It was like a little mini hurricane, honestly. So it is downpouring, so I'm gonna stay put in the house, which is just a great opportunity to get some videos filmed and get some stuff done inside the house. So I'll go ahead and show you all my list, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the list. I'm going to tidy up the kitchen. I need to make my bed still. I haven't done that yet this morning. I have a big pile of clothes to put away for Steven, and then tidy up the living room. Sorry, it's kind of sloppy. Marinate chicken. We're having chicken wings, and we usually like to marinate them the night before. I might just wait for Steven to do that. I feel like he has a better touch at putting all the seasoning in, so I might just wait. And then our save the dates, we got them done through Minted, and it's so nice that you can just input all of your addresses and then they print them out for you. However, when we ordered them, there were a few addresses that we didn't have, so I just need to write those out, and then I want to get those mailed off tomorrow. So that's everything we have to get done. Nothing too crazy, just kind of some general cleanup here. I didn't do some of the dishes last night. I love smoothies, but these things are so annoying to clean. Anyway, I just need to clean up. If you're wondering why there's an upside down basket, I put my tripod on there when I film my intro. I know, very professional. So just some cleaning up to do around here, and we'll go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and put an hour on the timer. 1 hour. No, not 1 minute. 1 hour. Okay, let's get started.
An image from a dream kept me up all night. The feeling is surreal, stuck inside my mind. Your body in my arms under moonlit skies. We're trying to count the stars till the sun will rise. I don't wanna wait, travel far away. If we leave today, will you tag along? Come on, tag along. Come on, tag along. Come on, tag along. We're walking on the sand, footprints on the beach, so closely hand in hand till we're out of reach. Ain't going by the clock like we're frozen time. Your kisses are so hard, and your eyes, they shine.
Okay, so quick little update. So far I have tidied up the kitchen and I have made the bed, and that is pretty much it. So next I think I am going to start tidying up the living room, and then I will go ahead and put away some clothes. Oh, you guys, I hate this thing. It's so much better than what the recliner looks like underneath this slipcover, but I feel like a slipcover works really well for stationary furniture, but for a recliner that you're constantly, you know, reclining in, this is just so annoying. I feel like I spend half my life putting this back into place. And there's a hole in it from constantly having to redo it, but that's all right. But yeah, if you're considering doing something like this, just a fair warning, it's going to be a pain in the butt.
Travel far away. If we leave today, will you tag along? Come on, tag along. Come on, tag along. Come on, tag along. So I'm gonna try, never give up.
So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it got pretty bright outside. Just taking a little small break for a minute. Yeah, it's wild. It's been like downpouring, it's been downpouring like on and off for a few hours, and then all of a sudden the sun just came out. So I don't know, I guess that's Florida for you. So I'm gonna get back to it before I take too long of a break. Just a couple more things to do. Just need to get the save the dates and then fold some laundry. My least favorite thing to do. So let's go ahead and just get it over with. That way I can go on to getting the weekend started.
Break it down to a second, a millionth of a dream. Go, go, go for the limit with the power of belief. Just soak it up like a flower, like a summer field, aching to be healed. Just rain on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and away. Fly me over the rivers, over open seas. Bring me to this feeling, up and away. Cross the sky like a comet, like a shooting star. Do what you gotta to be true to who you are. You're calling me like the rainbow, fill me with your spark. Take me from the dark, so shine on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and away. Fly me over the rivers, over open seas. Bring me to this feeling, up and away. I could never be free, could never follow. I let the power in me be strong, but then you came along. Baby, under your hand, I learned to understand, to live, to love myself. You color me like the rainbow, fill me with your spark.
Alright guys, so I am wrapping up right now. Sorry the lighting isn't great, but I am just writing out the last of our save the dates. And while I was doing this, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing a wedding haul coming up here soon, probably the first week of May, and just show you guys things that I've gotten so far for the wedding as far as decor, things for my bridesmaids, all that kind of fun stuff. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. I'm pretty sure you will be, because I get lots of DMs and stuff about wedding planning and all those kinds of things. So I'm excited to share some of the cool stuff that I have found. I am really loving Etsy as a place to find a lot of these like really cute personalized things. I just love homemade goods, and I love, I don't know, there's something I just really like about getting from small business owners who are, you know, just doing things on their own. I just think that's awesome. So a couple of things coming from Etsy. And then like I have what my bridesmaids are gonna wear the morning that we're getting ready. I haven't found what I'm going to wear yet. I'm still looking. I have a robe that's like a backup option, but I've had it for a long time, and I just feel like I want something like special to wear that day. So there is one that I really like. It's from Beholden, the Anthropology line, but I just like, for some reason, can't get myself to spend the money on it. Hang on, I'm gonna look down while I do this. I just can't get myself to spend the money on it, so I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any ideas on that. I should probably pay attention while I do this so I don't make a mistake. I'll just talk to you guys. Here's what the front of our save the date looks like. We got them done through Minted. I love how they turned out. Minted makes it so easy. Like I said, they address everything, but we just had a couple that we didn't want to hold up the order for just these couple of addresses, so I just have to write out a few of them, and then it'll make it super easy for like sending out the invitations. Like literally once we have the invitations all figured out, all we have to do is like order, and then like that's it, because all the addresses are now in the system. So super simple, and super simple then for the thank you cards after the wedding. It'll just be so much easier. It's a lot of work up front, but honestly now even for like Christmas cards and everything, like, because now I have both of our families' addresses in one database, so I'm just really excited about it. Minted is really great quality. I would definitely wait till it goes on sale. They do quite a few, they're always doing sales. I know my friend Gina, she was able to order hers, I think she said on Black Friday, and she got a really good discount on her invitations. Unfortunately, Black Friday isn't gonna work with our schedule, but I ordered when they were having a good sale over the weekend. I think I got like 25% off. I've seen them to do 30% off. I wanted to get 30% off, but we weren't ready to order at that time. So anyway, that about wraps up the power hour. I'm looking over at the timer. I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left, and I just have a couple of these to write out, so I think I'll be right on schedule. I hope you all enjoyed this power hour clean with me and quick little wedding update chat to come. So hope you all have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. Happy Easter. I'm not sure if this video will go up before Easter. Probably not. I hope you had a happy Easter, whatever you celebrate. So anyway, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.